itong ginawa niya na he's very defensive. He was caught off guard. He didn't make any sense, no, on his answer. At pinasa pa nga niya doon kay ABR, no, kung saan si mismong ABR ang who's been calling for hair follicle drug testing. Pinasa na ngayon ni Bongbong Marcos itong pagiging weak daw, kaya nasabi ni Atty. Vic Rodriguez yun. So therefore, kung meron mang skepticism, nawala na yun. And in fact, I would probably argue na anong tawag nito, mas lalo pang umigting ang pagdududa ngayon ng taong bayan dahil nga sa kanyang the manner that he answered those questions.
Sabi ng ating saligang batas, ang public trust ay nangangahulugan ng panunungkulan sa gobyerno ay isang tiwala ng mamamayan. Hindi po ito isang privilege. Kailangan gampanan ito na may katapatan, malasakit, at pananagutan dahil ang tunay pong kapangyarihan sa demokrasya ay nagmumula po sa taong bayan. What do you make of these states, meaning dito po sa public trust na topic?
Well, yun na nga, no? At dinefine nyo na nga at tinanslate nyo in Tagalog na lahat ng posisyon ng whether it's appointed or elected, no, ay talagang dapat should be anchored on those very basic principles of that a position, a public position, public service is a matter of public trust. Dahil na nga, ang naglagay dyan, kung elected ka directly is the Filipino people. Kung appointed ka naman, ang nag-appoint sa'yo were probably elected by the people. Kung career ka, official ka naman, ang nagpapasweldo sa'yo ay ang mga taong bayan din. Therefore, you should be, kasi nga, yun na nga, yung doktrina nga sa Korte Suprema, ikaw ay isang for public consumption, ang isang public official. So therefore, yung sinabi mo kanina, na covered lahat, no, ng accountability and other requirements as a matter of public trust, ang isang posisyon na hinahawakan ng isang tao, lalo-lalo na yung presidente.
Pero, sabi ng presidente, no to hair follicle test. Tapos sabi niya, it has nothing to do with public trust in his public office. Walang koneksyon yung sinasabi niya. Ito'y sagot sa naging hamon ni Atty. Vic Rodriguez na mag-undergo nga siya ng hair follicle test. Itong mga panawagan na ito, last year pa nang magkaroon ng mga listahan mula sa PDEA, nang lumabas yung video ng di umunoy yung paggamit ng illegal na droga. Anong masasabi mo dyan, sir?
Well, I saw the snippet of that quick interview, and I think Bongbong Marcos was really caught off guard by that question from a reporter, and I praise the reporter for asking that question, no? And there was this sense of disbelief, no? Na parang hindi makapaniwala si Bongbong Marcos na tinanong siya noon ng isang reporter na yon. At parang it was an answer, it was a very uncomfortable answer for him na hindi na niya nga, no, na napagtanto ang ibig niyang sabihin, and it led him to declare that such a call for a hair follicle drug test has nothing to do with public office being a public trust, which defies common logic. No, it doesn't take a genius to understand what the meaning of public office is a public trust. Kasi nga, you are answerable to the people, and in fact, undergoing a hair follicle drug test shouldn't only be mandatory but should always be voluntary on the part of that public servant, precisely because of that very basic principle, the very basic tenet that a public office is a public trust. So he failed to understand it, probably because he was caught off guard, and we all know may history itong si Bongbong Marcos na ang gusto niyan is predetermined at pre-arranged, no, yung mga questions. Kaya makikita nyo when Bongbong Marcos speaks, no, pagka mga prepared speeches, maganda talagang mag-deliver, very eloquent, no? Pero if you look at the history of this guy, pagka mga ambush interviews, he doesn't really make any sense, no, sa mga mga sagot niya. At kabilang na nga yan, itong kanina nga lang ata na sagot niya. And in fact, towards the later portion of that answer, no, sinabi pa niya na weak daw si Attorney Vic Rodriguez, no? He's been very weak daw nung nagtrabaho pa si Attorney Vic sa kanya. At ang kanyang logic is, kung ganun daw ang pananaw ni Attorney Vic Rodriguez, bakit daw nagtrabaho pa si Attorney Vic Rodriguez sa kanya? I mean, it doesn't follow. It's a non sequitur, no? Na kesyo nagtrabaho si Attorney Vic sa kanya, that exonerates him from the accusations na he's a drug user. When the only way to unequivocally prove that he is not is to undergo hair follicle drug testing. What's keeping him from doing it? Everybody's doing it. Ipanaw candidates did it. Polong Duterte did it. VP Sara Duterte has been calling for hair follicle drug testing doon sa mga young guns sa Kongreso. Apparently, hindi naman kumasa. So that creates, no, the contradiction right there, MJ and Admar.
Tsaka, kung wala kang tinatago, di ba? Simple lang.
Exactly. Tama.
So, ang nangyari sa Bisaya pa, si Edi, yan saa,
defensive. Very defensive talaga yung ang sagot niya. Very defensive. Tingnan mo, dineflect niya kaagad, no? Na walang, it doesn't have anything to do with public office, is a public trust. Tapos to negate, no, his comments or to reinforce his comment, pinasa niya ngayon ang burden kay Attorney Vic Rodriguez. At ang sabi niya na bakit sinasabi to, siya yung weak, siya yung perceived to be weak. Sinabi na ni PRRD na he is a weak leader. Tapos ngayon, pinasa niya kay Attorney Vic Rodriguez na Attorney Vic Rodriguez is weak, no? Precisely because, ang logic nga niya, dahil nagtrabaho sa kanya si Attorney Vic Rodriguez ng medyo mahabang panahon din.
Did he negated, sir, yung public skepticism? Kasi ito yung panawagan, national na panawagan to eh. Tapos, it's a big no. yung nangyari ngayong araw.
Actually, it wasn't negated. It was in fact reinforced. Actually, it was not skepticism, MJ, no? If I may. Kasi nga, a majority of Filipinos, going by social media pronouncements and statements, na talagang nagdududa ang malaking bahagi ng sambayan ng Pilipino na totoo nga yung mga akusasyon at they've been calling for hair follicle drug test. Pero ngayon, itong ginawa niya na he's very defensive, he was caught off guard, he didn't make any sense, no, on his answer. At pinasa pa nga niya doon kay AVR, no, kung saan si mismong AVR ang who's been calling for hair follicle drug testing, pinasa na ngayon ni Bongbong Marcos itong pagiging weak daw, kaya nasabi ni Attorney Vic Rodriguez yun. So therefore, kung meron mang skepticism, nawala na yun. And in fact, I would probably argue na anong tawag nito, mas lalo